Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the topic given, which is, does Robinhood charge fees for withdrawals? The quick answer is, it depends on the type of withdrawal you choose. Robinhood offers two main ways to withdraw cash from your account: standard bank transfers, also known as ACH transfers, and instant withdrawals. For the standard bank transfer, which usually takes a few business days to process, there is generally no fee charged by Robinhood. This is your free option for getting your money out. However, if you need your money right away, Robinhood offers an instant withdrawal option, typically to a linked debit card or an instant bank account. Choosing this service does incur a fee. The fee for instant withdrawals is 1.75% of the withdrawal amount, with a minimum fee of $1 and a maximum fee of $150 per transaction. It is important to understand that this fee is for the speed of the instant transfer. The 1.75% fee is deducted from the amount you are requesting to withdraw. So, in summary, standard withdrawals are free, but they take longer. Instant withdrawals are fast, but they come with a 1.75% fee. Always check the current fee schedule on Robinhood's platform before you initiate any transfer. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.